Welcome to today's video, where we explore outdoor garden decor ideas to transform your garden into a stunning oasis. Whether you're looking to add some charm with cozy seating areas, vibrant planters, or creative lighting, we've got you covered with fresh and inspiring ideas. From modern minimalist designs to rustic and nature-inspired elements, these decor tips will help you make the most of your outdoor space. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's dive into these beautiful garden decor ideas. Transform your outdoor space into a stunning garden oasis with creative decor ideas that combine functionality, beauty, and a touch of nature's charm. Outdoor garden decor offers endless possibilities, and when thoughtfully planned, it can turn a regular yard into an enchanting escape from rustic pieces to modern elements. The key is to balance aesthetics with practical design. Let's explore how you can elevate your garden decor to a whole new level. 1. Garden pathways to ancient. The first step in decorating your garden is to define your pathways. Stone walkways, gravel paths, or wooden stepping stones can add texture in direct traffic flow, while giving your garden structure. Curved pathways can evoke a sense of mystery and exploration, while straight paths create a more formal, organized look. Stone pathways, natural stone paths provide an earthy look, perfect for a rustic or Mediterranean garden. Choose flagstone or slate to create a winding path, adding interest as it weaves through flower beds and shrubs. Wooden stepping stones for a more whimsical touch. Use slices of logs as stepping stones. The irregular shapes add a natural feel, and they pair well with greenery. Gravel paths are budget-friendly and easy to maintain. Choose a color that complements your garden's overall theme and line the edges with low hedges or plants to give it a polished look. 2. Arches, pergolas, and trellises. Adding vertical elements like arches, pergolas, and trellises is a game changer and outdoor garden decor. These structures provide height and can serve as a focal point, guiding the eye upwards. Arches, a garden arch at the entrance or along a path can serve as an elegant entryway. Grow climbing roses, jasmine, or ivy to wrap around the arch, creating a romantic and inviting look. Pergolas for larger gardens. Pergolas offer both shade and an opportunity to add decor. Drape fairy lights, hang lanterns, or install a chandelier to make the space magical in the evening. Plants like wiria or grapevines can cascade over the beams for a lush natural canopy. Trellises, perfect for small gardens or tight spaces. Trellises allow you to grow vertical plants, maximizing your garden's potential. Use trellises for climbing vegetables like beans or ornamental plants like cactus. 3. Garden furniture for relaxation. Garden furniture is an essential element of outboard decor, allowing you to relax and enjoy your space. Choose pieces that complement the style of your garden, from modern and minimalist to vintage and rustic. Wrought iron furniture, timeless and elegant wrought iron furniture suits both formal and casual gardens. Opt for intricate designs to add an old-world charm to your garden. Make it cozier by adding cushions in earthy tones or botanical prints. Wooden benches, a classic wooden bench placed under a tree or along a path creates a serene spot to relax. Choose teak or cedar for durability, and consider a bench with built-in planters on the sides for added greenery. Outdoor hammocks and swing chairs for a more laid-back vibe. Consider hanging a hammock or a swing chair. These are perfect for napping on lazy afternoons in adab boho or tropical. Attached to your garden. 4. Water feet. And that wraps up our collection of outdoor garden decor ideas. We hope you found plenty of inspiration to elevate your garden into a beautiful and relaxing retreat. Whether you're planning to add a splash of color, unique furniture, or creative lighting, there's something here for every outdoor space. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which idea you loved the most and how you plan to style your garden. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home and garden inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!